High Court seeks UP government stand on school fee exemption during lockdown period. Delhi schools to remain shut till government is convinced about student safety, says Health Minister. NIOS date sheet for classes 10 and 12 for 2021 released. Hold all exams online this year, say parents in Maharashtra. West Bengal reduces state board syllabus by 35%, no reopen date given for schools and colleges. Teachers in New Delhi say it's not wise to send kids back to school, but experts push for graded reopening. 37% girls from poor families uncertain about returning to school. Tamil Nadu Elementary School Teachers Federation urges transfer counselling for teachers and headmasters. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Allahabad High Court has sought the Uttar Pradesh government stand on a plea for the exemption of private school fees for the COVID-19 lockdown period, besides promoting pupils up to class 8 to next classes without conducting exams. A bench of Chief Justice Govind Mathur and Justice Siddhartha Verma sought the government stand last week on a public interest lawsuit filed by Masoom Bachpan Foundation. Schools in the national capital will not reopen until the government is convinced about student safety, Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain said on Thursday. He added that we are hopeful that a vaccine will be available soon. Schools will reopen till the time we are convinced that students will be safe. As per the Unlock 5 guidelines, states can take a call on reopening schools in phases. The National Institute of Open Schooling has released the date sheet for the upcoming Board Examination 2021. As per the latest notification released by the Institute, the NIOS Board Exams 2021 for classes 10 and 12 will be held in January-February 2021. Students who wish to appear for the exam need to pay the public exam fee online through the official website sdmis.nios.ac.in. Parents have written to all the education departments saying that all the assessments this year must be conducted online and schools should not be reopened until it is completely safe for students. India-wide Parents Association has also demanded that the state conduct board exams online next year. Students must be evaluated and promoted based on internal assessments held online, said Anupa Sahai, a member of the association. While the date of physical reopening of schools, colleges and university campuses in Bengal remains undecided, the State Education Department has reduced the Madhyamik and higher secondary syllabi by 30 to 35%. The universities and colleges in Bengal are not likely to reopen their campuses on December 1, as was previously decided, as the Education Minister Partha Chatterjee on Wednesday did not mention anything about resuming classes at schools anytime soon. Despite the central government allowing schools to reopen in a graded manner amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, teachers don't seem to be in favor of calling the junior classes to schools as yet. Keeping in mind health of younger students, school principals have said that it is not prudent to open schools in this academic year for the junior classes, considering that COVID-19 cases are increasing on a daily basis. About 37% of girls from poor households are uncertain about whether they would be able to return to school after the pandemic, according to a study which was also found that as compared to 37% of boys, only 26% of girls in such families have access to mobiles and internet to attend online classes. While 52% of households surveyed had a TV set at home, only 11% of the children accessed education programs on TV, says the study conducted in June among 3,176 families whose children attend government schools across the 5 states: Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, Telangana and Delhi. The Tamil Nadu Elementary School Teachers Federation has urged the School Education Department to conduct promotional and transfer counselling to government school teachers and headmasters immediately for the current academic year. Federation District Secretary C. Arsu said, School Education Department is being silent without releasing an announcement of counseling for teachers and headmasters for the academic year, citing COVID-19, even though the department activities such as administrative works, education department works, etc. are commencing as usual. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.thepenn.com and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.